Hello students, welcome to SRM Biology classes. In the last class, I explained with reference to fate of pyruvic acid. With reference to fate of pyruvic acid, in the absence of oxygen, it exhibits anaerobic respiration. The synthesized pyruvic acid from the glycolysis is 3 carbon containing 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. The 3 carbon containing 2 molecules of pyruvic acid is the final end product of glycolysis. The synthesized pyruvic acid, in the absence of oxygen, it initiates two important types of fermentation process in the absence of oxygen. The two important types of fermentation, namely alcoholic fermentation and lactic acid fermentation. During the course of alcoholic fermentation, it is evident with the biosynthesis of ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide and only 2 molecules of ATP are actively synthesized. But during the course of lactic acid fermentation, from pyruvic acid, it is evident with the biosynthesis of lactic acid and only 2 molecules of ATP are actively synthesized during the course of lactic acid fermentation. In the presence of oxygen, it initiates aerobic respiration. Today, I will explain the second step in the aerobic respiration called Krebs cycle. It was discovered by H.A. Krebs, hence it is popularly designated as Krebs cycle. One of the stable chemical compounds synthesized during the course of Krebs cycle is the 6 carbon containing citric acid. The citric acid is the 6 carbon containing compound, hence it is popularly designated as citric acid cycle, and it is also designated as tricarboxylic acid or TCA cycle are the synonym for the same pathway called, same cycle called Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle is the second important step in the aerobic respiration. It is the second step in the aerobic respiration. The first step in the aerobic respiration is glycolysis. During the course of glycolysis, the exosugar glucose, it undergoes enzymatic breakdown in the absence of oxygen or in the lack of oxygen, led to the formation of 2 molecules of 3 carbon containing pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid is actively synthesized during the course of glycolysis. The process of glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell. From the cytoplasm, the synthesized pyruvic acid, the synthesized 3 carbon containing 2 molecules of pyruvic acid is slowly diffused to the cytosol region of the matrix in order to initiate Krebs cycle. The concept of Krebs cycle or TCA cycle or citric acid cycle was discovered by H.A. Krebs. During the course of Krebs cycle, the pyruvic acid is subjected to complete oxidation. In the presence of oxygen, resulting in the biosynthesis of 30 molecules of ATP. resulting in the biosynthesis of 30 molecules of ATP. But during the course of glycolysis, it is evident with the biosynthesis of 8 molecules of ATP. Altogether, from glycolysis and from the Krebs cycle, from 1 molecule of exosugar, 8 plus 30 resulting in the biosynthesis of 38 molecules of ATP, or as I earlier stated, about 686 kilocalories of energy is liberated during the course of aerobic respiration through glycolysis and through Krebs cycle. In the glycolysis, 8 molecules of ATP. In the Krebs cycle, 30 molecules of ATP are actively synthesized during the course of aerobic respiration. Because of the biosynthesis of 30 molecules of ATP during the course of glycolysis, from the point of genetics, it is highly energetic biochemical reaction. ಈಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ರೆಬ್ಸ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಬಯೋಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರಿಂಗ್ ದ Krebs cycle, H.A. Krebs was awarded with prestigious Nobel Prize in the year 1953. This is the wonderful work made by the H.A. Krebs in order to discover highly energetic biochemical reaction called Krebs cycle. Before the initiation of Krebs cycle, during the course of initial stages of the Krebs cycle, through glycolysis, the exosugar, namely glucose, is subjected to enzymatic degradation through glycolysis, led to the formation of 2 molecules of 3 carbon containing pyruvic acid is synthesized. The 2 molecules of pyruvic acid in the presence of coenzyme A with the utilization of NAD with the help of magnesium ion through the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase, resulting in the biosynthesis of acetyl-CoA with the liberation of NAD. It undergoes dehydrogenation, resulting in the biosynthesis of NADH2. Will actively takes place during the course of initial stages of the Krebs cycle with the liberation of hydrogen. Such a unique biochemical reaction resulting in the biosynthesis of acetyl-CoA. The synthesized acetyl-CoA is slowly diffused to the matrix region of mitochondria in order to initiate Krebs cycle. Clear ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಇದು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಆಗಿ Krebs cycle ನ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ aerobic respiration, it undergoes three important steps, namely glycolysis, Krebs cycle and terminal oxidation. During the initial stage, it undergoes glycolysis. During the process of glycolysis, a exo sugar, glucose, will get converted into two molecules of 3-carbon containing pyruvic acid is actively synthesized. Two molecules of 3-carbon containing pyruvic acid is actively synthesized during the course of glycolysis. The synthesized pyruvic acid, in the presence of coenzyme, with the help of NAD, with the utilization of inorganic derivative magnesium ion, with the help of pyruvate dehydrogenation, it is evident with the biosynthesis of a unique chemical compound called acetyl-CoA. With the biosynthesis of acetyl-CoA, led to the initiation of second step in the aerobic respiration called Krebs cycle. During the course of Krebs cycle, the synthesized acetyl-CoA is subjected to complete oxidation, resulting in the biosynthesis of 30 molecules of ATP with the production of NADH2 and hydrogen derivatives. With the biosynthesis of acetyl-CoA, it initiates citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle. This is with reference to the introductory aspect of the Krebs cycle. Note, the synthesized pyruvic acid, it undergoes dehydrogenation through the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme with the help of magnesium ions. With the help of magnesium ions, the NAD it is subjected to dehydrogenation, resulting in the biosynthesis of first molecule of NADH2 is actively synthesized. ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. One molecule of NADH2 is equal to 3 molecules of ATP. Later, the pyruvic acid is a 3-carbon containing compound, will gets converted into acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA is a 2-carbon containing compound. Later, the acetyl-CoA will gets converted into 6-carbon containing citric acid is actively synthesized. Citric acid is also designated as citrate. Through the enzyme citrate synthetase. During the course of Krebs cycle, in the initial step, the 3-carbon containing pyruvic acid will get converted into 2 molecules of acetyl-CoA. 2-carbon containing acetyl-CoA is actively synthesized. From the 2 carbon containing acetyl CoA through the enzyme citrate synthetase enzyme, resulting in the biosynthesis of 6 carbon containing citric acid or citrate is actively synthesized. Citrate is actively synthesized. ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನೋ ಅದರಿಂದಾನೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ತಲೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲೇಟರ್ the citrate will gets converted into I for isocitrate is actively synthesized through the enzyme aconitase with the help of iron. It is evident with the biosynthesis of isocitrate. Later, the isocitrate in the presence of the same enzyme aconitase, with the help of iron derivatives, the isocitrate will get converted into acetate is actively synthesized. Gets converted into oxalosuccinate. Oxalosuccinate is actively synthesized. Later, from the oxalosuccinate through the enzyme. Later, the oxalosuccinate will get converted into A for alpha keto glutamate is actively synthesized. This alpha keto glutamate is a 5-carbon containing compound actively synthesized during the course of Krebs cycle. From the alpha keto glutamate through the enzyme alpha keto glutamate dehydrogenase enzyme, through the enzyme alpha keto glutamate dehydrogenase enzyme, another molecule of NAD will gets converted into NaTH2 is actively synthesized. Later, again, even in this process also, the alpha keto glutamate is a 5-carbon containing compound. It will gets converted into 4-carbon containing ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸಿಟೈಲ್ CoA ಇದೆ, opposite led to the formation of succinyl CoA is actively synthesized. This succinyl CoA is a 4-carbon containing compound. This 4-carbon containing compound this 4-carbon containing succinyl CoA will gets converted into succinate through the enzyme succinate synthetase enzyme. During this process, either ADP or GDP will gets converted into either ATP or GTP is actively synthesized. One molecule of GTP is equal to one molecule of ATP. One molecule of GTP is equal to one molecule of ATP is actively synthesized. Later, through the enzyme succinate, dehydrogenase enzyme, one of the molecule of FAD will gets converted into FADH2. One molecule of FADH2 is equal to two molecules of ATP. From the succinate, through the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase, it will gets converted into fumarate or fumaric acid. Later, the fumarate will gets converted into malate through the enzyme fumarase. Later, the malate will gets converted into oxaloacetate. Oxaloacetate is actively synthesized. This unique biochemical reaction is mediated by malate dehydrogenase enzyme. During this process, NAD will gets converted into NADH2. The synthesized oxaloacetate will take re-entry into the acetyl CoA in order to initiate Krebs cycle. These are the main important cyclic events normally seen in the Krebs cycle. This succinate will also carries 4 carbon atoms. Are the main important steps involved in the Krebs cycle. Notice, citrate will gets converted into cis aconitase enzyme. Later, the cis aconitase enzyme will gets converted into isocitrate. Again, even in this step also, aconitase enzyme, isocitrate. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. These are the main important steps involved in the Krebs cycle. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು, during the process of Krebs cycle, it is evident with the formation of 2 carbon containing, 3 carbon containing, 4 carbon containing, 5 carbon containing and 6 carbon containing intermediate compounds are actively synthesized. The 2 carbon containing compound present in the Krebs cycle is acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA. The 3 carbon containing compound present in the Krebs cycle is pyruvic acid. The 4 carbon containing compound present in the citric acid cycle or in the Krebs cycle is succinyl-CoA and succinate. Succinyl-CoA and succinate. The 5th carbon containing, the 5 carbon containing intermediate compound in the Krebs cycle is alpha ketoglutamate or glutamic acid. It carries 5 carbon atom. The stable 6th carbon containing compound actively synthesized during the course of Krebs cycle is citric acid or citrate. Citric acid or citrate. These are the important intermediate compounds actively synthesized in the Krebs cycle for the biosynthesis of various metabolites in the living organisms. These intermediate compounds will act as a raw material for the initiation of various types of chemical compound synthesis in the living organism. Once again, I will illustrate the Krebs cycle. The pyruvic acid is the final end product of the glycolysis. Through the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme in the presence of magnesium ion with the utilization of coenzyme A, the NAD will get converted into NADH2. The first molecule of NADH2 is actively synthesized with the biosynthesis of acetyl-CoA from the pyruvic acid. The 3 carbon containing pyruvic acid will get converted into 2 carbon containing acetyl-CoA. Through the enzyme citrate synthetase, the acetyl-CoA will get converted into 6 carbon containing citric acid is actively synthesized. Later, through the enzyme aconitase, the citric acid will get converted into cis-aconitic acid. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನೋ ಅದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರನೇ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ. Later, the aconitase enzyme will take part in converting the cis-aconitase into isocitric acid. Will get converted into isocitric acid or citrate is actively synthesized with the utilization of iron derivative. Later, from the isocitrate, it will get converted into oxalosuccinate through the enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase. During the process of dehydrogenation, NAD will get converted into NADH2, resulting in the formation of oxalosuccinate. Later, the oxalosuccinate will get converted into alpha keto, will get converted into alpha ketoglutamate is actively synthesized. This alpha ketoglutamate will carry 5 carbon atoms. Through the enzyme alpha ketoglutamate dehydrogenase enzyme, NAD will get converted into NADH2. Thereby, the third molecule of NADH2 is actively synthesized. From the alpha ketoglutamate, it will get converted into succinyl-CoA. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಸಿಟೈಲ್ ಕೋಯೆಗೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸಿನೈಲ್ ಕೋಯೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕ್ಸಿನೇಟ್ ಸಿಂಥೆಟೇಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಸಿಂಥೆಟೇಸ್. ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Later, the succinyl CoA through the enzyme succinate synthetase, it will get converted into succinate. During this process, GDP, either GDP or GTP, GDP will get converted into GTP. One molecule of GTP is equal to one molecule of ATP, or ATP, one molecule of ATP is actively synthesized during the course of Krebs cycle. Later, the 4-carbon containing succinate through the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase, FAD will get converted into FADH2. One molecule of FADH2 is equal to 2 molecules of ATP, resulting in the formation of fumarate. Through the enzyme fumarate, the fumarate will get converted into malate, Later, the malate will get converted into oxaloacetate through the enzyme malate dehydrogenase, led to the biosynthesis of 4th molecule of NADH2, or actively synthesized during the course of Krebs cycle. The synthesized oxaloacetate through the biosynthesis of acetate derivative, it takes re-entry into the Krebs cycle to the acetyl CoA in order to maintain the cyclic process. During the course of Krebs cycle, it is evident with the biosynthesis of 4 molecules of NADH2. This is first, this is second, this is third, and finally this is the 4th NADH2. 4 molecules of NADH2 are actively synthesized from the glycolysis. 1 molecule of NADH2 is equal to 3 molecules of ATP, 4 into 3, resulting in the formation of 12 molecules of ATP. At the time of formation of succinate into fumarate, 1 molecule of FADH2 is actively synthesized. 1 molecule of FADH2 is actively synthesized. 1 molecule of FADH2 is equal to 2 molecules of ATP, resulting in the biosynthesis of 2 molecules of ATP from the FADH2. Finally, at the time of formation of succinate, it is evident with the biosynthesis of 1 molecule of ATP or 1 molecule of GTP are actively synthesized, resulting in the biosynthesis of 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 from 1 molecule of pyruvic acid, resulting in the biosynthesis of 15 molecules of ATP, During the course of glycolysis, from the exosugar glucose led to the biosynthesis of 2 molecules of pyruvic acid, resulting in the biosynthesis of 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. Thereby, I will multiply 15 molecules of ATP into 2, led to the biosynthesis of 30 molecules of ATP during the course of Krebs cycle, with a complete oxidization of pyruvic acid, in the excess of oxygen, resulting in the complete oxidization of exosugar will take place during the course of Krebs cycle. This is with reference to the main important steps involved in the Krebs cycle. Once you practice the Krebs cycle, it is very, very important from the point of NEET examination. I will discuss each and every point of the Krebs cycle in the next class at the time of discussion of multiple choice questions. In addition to this, you have to remember how many carbon atoms present in all the intermediate compounds, and in the last class I will explain what and all the compounds synthesized from the intermediate compounds are subjected to detailed discussion. This is with reference to the main important steps involved in the Krebs cycle. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈರುವಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಇಂದ ಅಸಿಟೈಲ್ ಕೋಯೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸಿನೈಲ್ ಕೋಯೆ, ಸಿಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸಿನೇಟ್. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನೋ ಅದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಸಿಟ್ರೇಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಐ ಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ ಅಕೋನಿಟಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಐಎಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ರಿಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಸೋಸಿಟ್ರೇಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುವಂತ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಓಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ರಿಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಸಲೋ ಸಕ್ಸಿನೇಟ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಲೋ ಸಕ್ಸಿನೇಟ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಎ, ರಿಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ALPHA, alpha ketoglutamate. From the alpha ketoglutamate it will get converted into succinyl CoA in the succinate in the FM, fumarate, malate ಮತ್ತು axaloacetate ಮುಖಾಂತರ it enters into acetyl CoA in order to maintain Krebs cycle. This is with reference to the main important steps involved in the citric acid cycle, Krebs cycle, or in the TCA cycle. Thank you very much. You have to draw the schematic representation 3 or 4 times in order to remember. Thank you very much.